All right, this is a solution to a lot of our problems on off-grid and battery backup homes. This is a solution for AGM, gel, SLA, glass, acid glass mat, and gel, and lead acid. Welcome to JW Solar USA. In today's video, I just want to show you some chargers here made by VMAXTANKS. Okay, it's called on the website at bargainshores.com. So this is a 15 amp, you can see right here, and a 20 amp. It's a 12 volt. Very powerful machines. I had these for over 3 years ago. If you check back on my playlist there on battery chargers on VMAXTANKS, you will see this one, the performance and the reviews on it. And this is one of the top ones. They used to have a 15 amp. They have a 7 amp. So if you look at the model number here, this is how you're able to identify. It's a 1215. That's a 15 amp. Here is going to be 1220. So I had this 1215 for quite a while, and I wrecked it. It's not a problem for the company or manufacturer or anything. It's my fault, because the charger was charging my 150 amp hour battery, long batteries, and the fan is going. I put it in the top of something, and it was resonating, and this thing was moving slowly, and it dropped. And because of that, the thing was active running. The shock burnt out some components inside. I don't know about circuitry or circuit boards. I cannot tell you, but I had a video about this device, which I was asking for help. If someone knows how to fix, they can fix it, and for me, and I'll be really grateful. It was expensive 3 years ago. I think I paid $120 or something like that. And this is the upgraded version, which is a 20,000 milliamp, which is a 20 amps. All right. I decided to do a review on this because this product has been working very well, which is a 7-state automatic charging. And you can see it has a different parameters down here, the way it charges. You see? And it's going to start, removing harmful sulfated deposits before it's going to start charging. And it's going to do the soft charge, to release the battery life by gently starting the battery charge, and the main charging, you can see that it doesn't try to go very aggressive. This is a smart, intelligent, smart charger. This one doesn't work for lithium batteries at all. So you can see number 4, which is the charging mode, which is giving you the bulk charge. And after that, it's going to test the battery. The condition of the battery puts like a kind of load, whatever testing. And you can see the graph right here, all it does. And test the battery. If the battery failed the test, it's going to start all over and do it again. And after that, it has a desulfator on it, built in. Okay? It's a desulfator. It just desulfate the battery and condition the battery, and after that it's going to maintain it. So these are the specs here. This one can work at 120 volt, 50-60 hertz, depending to different countries that use 60 for North America, 60 hertz. Another place they can use 50 or 60 hertz. It takes only about 415 watts from the grid, and it can charge, it strongly charge up to a 300 amp hour battery. And trust me, guys, this is a 20 amp of it. You can see the specs on this, and this one takes 554, while this one takes 415. See that? So this is a big boy, and this thing can do an awesome job. I like chargers in the sense because I always try to protect my investment or asset, because these guys, you have to You have to make sure you charge your batteries first. My advice on batteries, I always trying to charge my battery. Any battery or each battery I buy, I must. It's a matter of must to me because it's very, very important. And I want the longevity of the battery or the life expectancy of the battery to prolong for a very long time. I always charge the batteries. I charge them all the way top because if it's a 12-volt battery, I'll connect them and make sure they're all individual charge and charging individual, and after that I'm going to set them into different parameters or different configuration I want it for my charger, for my battery nominum. So this is the VMAX tank. This one is dead. I don't know if I can do a giveaway. There's a video I made on this. I saw like a burnt component, maybe it's a capacitor, little capacitor. It looks like a ceramic, and this is I can't fix it. I hold on for this thing for so long, but someone probably can fix it. I don't mind. Maybe I can do a giveaway on that, see if I don't have no one fixing it. There's a difference between these two. This one has a different plug. You can see this. This one is attached directly to the charger, and this one has, you can detach this. I suppose you can able to buy, if this one goes bad or maybe you want a longer one, you can buy extensions to extend the wire, and the wires are really long. These are soft wires, and this one are kind of little hard wires. I suppose this machine, it can only get the senses load really higher, and all of a sudden then the fan kicks in and cool up the temperature of the internal component. And if I can open up this thing, like I said, here are the wires, and you see, I can't tell the name of the this plug. You guys know it's just like those Harbor Freight solar panels plug-in. So that's how it looks like. This is a 12 gauge wire. It's right here if you can see it. So it takes more current, you know, for the 20 amps, and it kind of soft wire. This is how it looks like. And this is the connector. Let me set this one. I don't want to drop it. This is the connector, and you have the other connector here, and you just plug it here, the positive and the negative, whatever. You can't go wrong. Fix it like this. You have your 2-clamp alligator clamp right here. And the difference here is this configuration here with the old one. See, like a Y-like. It's kind of a little bit different design. It tells you all the parameters here, how the charging works. But so far so good. And guys, this is the real deal here, the real deal. I encourage you, recommend this. You buy one of these, you always have it for standby. And this is a awesome machine. And you guys take a look at it, and they have a good reputation online. VMAX tank is a good product. So this is the other one here. I can show you, I can do a comparison here on this device. I think I already packed it, and you see exactly what I'm talking about here, because I trust this company. And I already done some business with them with batteries, and you guys can see that. Take a look. These are really recommended for AGM, sea-lead acid, and gel batteries. So look, this is what I was talking about earlier. The graphics is different. You see that Y-like I was talking about here? It's different a little bit. And take a look at the both of these machine. The face, okay, is different. And what else? Okay, like I was saying, you can see here, these wires are connected directly So let me try and read this. How much amp is this? This is a 14 gauge. The 15 amp is a 14 gauge. This one, the 20 amp, this is a 15 amp, but it's a 14 gauge. And the 20 amp right here is a 12 gauge wire. So this one is connected directly, the wire, and it's kind of harder. And this one is a soft wire right here. See, it's bigger, and this one is tiny, but they're all embedded right here to the circuit board inside, while this one you can able to detach and attach the link right here. So I just want to give you guys updates with this. It has a grounding. If you want to ground permanently on the chassis right here, you can mount this vertical or horizontal, either or you want. And guys, stay tuned for this, because I'm going to be giving you a live feed or this on these VMAXTANK chargers here. I hope you like the video. Please subscribe and leave your comments. If you have a VMAXTANK, you ever dealt with these chargers before, tell me what your thoughts are, and we'll go from there. This is a learning experience for everybody. I took the initiative to do this and test it, and just showing you how VMAX is doing a good job with their chargers and with also their batteries. You have to check it out. There's a lot of good reviews, and I just want to share this with you guys all. VMAX, if you're watching this video, I just want you to know that you guys are doing an awesome job. Check out my other video that I made 3 years ago. If you want to sponsor this video, go ahead and sponsor this video. Contact me on my email. Anyone that has contact with VMAX, tell them that JW Solar USA made a video for them. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and share. Bye.